What if gravity became 10 times stronger? Overnight, you open your eyes, try to stand, and instantly fall flat on your face. Your blanket now weighs as much as your cousin's refrigerator. Welcome to Earth's new reality, a world where gravity means business. Gravity crushes daily life. Suddenly, your body feels 10 times heavier. A dumbbell at the gym is now a life-threatening object. Even walking to the kitchen feels like hiking up Mount Everest with 10 elephants on your back. Cars collapse. Birds stop flying. People roll instead of walk. Congratulations. You now live in a real-life cartoon. Buildings collapse, animals confused. Skyscrapers start sagging. Bridges buckle like noodles. Trees snap in half. Elephants lie down in protest. Giraffes? They're just done. And your poor couch? It's now one with the floor. Basically, welcome to Flat Everything 2.0.
Umanzadat.
Barely. But we're clever, right? Exoskeletons become the new fashion. Rolling becomes a national sport. Gyms shut down. Just standing is a workout. Elevators? More valuable than gold. Even kids do gravity drills instead of fire drills. Sports get weird. Basketball becomes a crawl fest. Soccer takes 3 hours for one goal. The Olympics? Forget running. Standing up without passing out becomes the main event. World record, 3 minutes upright. Science time. Let's break it down. Earth's normal gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Multiply that by 10, we're now at 98. That much gravity means your heart struggles, your bones compress, and your spine goes full pancake. Inside your body, muscles fail, joints ache. Your blood needs a gym membership just to reach your brain. You'd shrink literally. By the end of the week, your back is begging for mercy. You basically turn into a tired potato with lungs. Food, flights, and toilets. Forget pizza delivery. Drones can't even lift a slice. Planes are grounded. Toilets? Well, let's just say water doesn't like going uphill. We invent sleds, suction bottles, and bathroom hacks that make plumbers cry. What survives?
Ants.
No problem. Cockroaches? Of course. Snails? Business as usual. Babies? Weirdly fine.
Humans.
We'd need to evolve. Shorter, stockier, and built like mini tanks. Meet the future you. Gravity love. Relationships change too. Dates involve rolling next to each other. Proposals are done lying on the ground. Arguments? You're too tired to yell. And if someone says, "You're my gravity," you'd probably run away, if you could. Gravity school. In school, lunch weighs 10 times more. Desks have seatbelts. PE is replaced with nap class. And physics becomes cooler than TikTok. Kids actually want to learn about Newton. Could it really happen? Only if Earth gained a ton of mass, or got too close to a black hole. But by then, we'd probably get sucked in and turned into space spaghetti. So, nope, not happening anytime soon. Still fun to imagine though, right? Back to normal. One day, gravity goes back to normal. Everyone jumps for joy, literally, then gets stuck in trees because they forgot how high they can go. Lesson learned. Gravity, we love you. Just not 10 times more than we have to. If you enjoyed this heavy episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Imagine That. We turn wild ideas into funny, science-packed adventures. Until next time, keep imagining the impossible.